Good morning students. Welcome to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to see Geography Unit 1 Resources Part 3. Students, before going into today's session, let's recap what we have seen in the previous class. So in the previous class we had seen wind energy and windmill and major wind farms in our India, and also we had seen hydropower and major hydroelectricity projects in our India, and also we had seen non-renewable resources. So that is classified into three. So metallic, non-metallic, fossil fuel. So we had seen metallic resources. So in the class we are going to see the detailed information about iron, copper, gold, bauxite, silver. Okay. So these are examples of metallic resources. So we are going to see the clear information. So first we'll learn iron. Iron is the fourth most common element in the Earth's crust. So which is the fourth most common element? That is iron. Okay. So this is most widely available metal. Magnetite and hematite are the common ore for iron. So magnetite and hematite are the common ore for iron. So they occurs normally in the rocks of the crust. Iron ore is the key raw material in making steel. So iron is the key raw material. Okay, for making steel we are using iron ore. So 98% of the iron ore extracted is used to make steel. Then one more thing, do you know students, pure iron ore is very soft, but its strength is increasing many folds by adding small amount of carbon and manganese. But the pure iron ore is very soft. Okay. Its low cost and high strength makes it usable in engineering applications, such as the construction of machinery and machine tools, automobiles, construction of large ships, structural components of buildings, bridges, etc. So these are the engineering application uses of iron ore. Iron ore is mined in about 50 countries. Among the iron ore producing countries, China, Australia, Brazil, India and Russia are the principal producers, accounting for 85% of the world's total output of iron ore. Okay, next we will learn about copper metal. Okay, so copper is one of the first metals known and used by man. So which is the first metal which is used by man? That is copper. Okay, so copper ranks as the third most consumed industrial metal in the world. So after iron and aluminium. So iron is the number one consumed industrial material and aluminium is the number 2 industrial metal. Okay. So copper ranks as the third place. Okay. And copper is good conductor of heat and electricity. So it conduct easily heat and electricity. Okay. This is a good conductor. About 3/4 of copper it used to make electrical wires, telecommunication cables and electronics. Chile is the world's number one country in the production of copper. So which is the number one country of production of copper? That is Chile. Okay. Other copper producing countries are Peru, China, United States, Congo and Australia. These are the other copper producing countries. Okay. Next we will see about gold. So everyone, now gold, right? That is a very precious metal. Yes, it is the rare and precious metal. Hence, it has high demand in world's market. Formerly, it was used for mining coins. So, in the initial period of time, gold was used for minting coins. Okay, for the coins they used. So, but now it is used for making ornaments and in dentistry. So, in the picture you can see gold teeth, right? So, nowadays dentistry field also gold metal used. Okay, it is regarded as a symbol of prosperity and a form of wealth. China is the world's largest producer of gold. Also, Australia, Russia, United States, South Africa and Canada are the major producers of gold. Among these countries, Australia has 9,500 tons reserves of gold ore, and it is world's leading country in gold ore reserves. In our in our India, Karnataka is the largest producer of gold in India. Okay, so Kolar gold field is one of the deepest mines of the world. So in the picture you can see the Kolar gold field. Okay. Next we will see the information about bauxite. So bauxite, that is core, aluminium core. Okay, so which is used for aluminium. So aluminium is produced from bauxite ore. Okay, there are several ores that contain aluminium, but bauxite contains more aluminium. So bauxite contains more aluminium. Okay, so aluminium has wide range of uses compared to other materials. Aluminium is light in weight, tough and cheaper, which makes it popular metal for construction purpose. So aluminium is very light. So for the business purpose, for the transport purpose, we can use more quantity and also more cheap, in the sense we can use more business levels. Okay, so aluminium, which is the most popular metal for constructional purpose. Okay, it is mainly used in the construction of aircrafts, ships, automobiles, railway coaches. And also this is the good conductor of electricity and heat, hence it is used for making electrical cables. It is highly resistant to corruption, so easily it's not corrupted. Okay, so by the addition of small quantities of other metals to aluminium, it creates superior alloy than pure aluminium. For example, duraluminum. Okay, so Australia is the world's leading bauxite producer. Apart from that, China, Brazil, India, Guyana, Jamaica and Russia also play an important role in bauxite production. Next we'll see silver. Silver is also the precious metal like gold. It has a wider variety of uses than gold. It is used in making jewelry, dentistry, photographic goods, electroplating industry and in the manufacturing of luxury goods. So silver plate, for silver everything, lot of things using the silver metal. Okay, and about 2/3 of silver is used for monetary purpose. Okay, so like gold, silver also resists corrosion. Mexico is the world's leading silver producer. So which is the world's leading silver producer? That is Mexico. Following Mexico, Peru, China, Russia, Australia and Chile produce more silver. More than 50% of silver it is found only in South American countries. Finally, we are going to see the last example of metallic resources, that is manganese. So manganese is the steel grade, hard, shiny and brittle metal. Brittle means easily breakable. Okay. So the common ores of manganese are pyrolusite manganese, you can see in the first picture, and silomelon and rhodochrosite. So rhodochrosite. So these are the three common ores of manganese. What are they? Pyrolusite manganese, silomelon and rhodochrosite. Okay. So manganese is essential for the production of good quality steel. Manganese is used in making electrical batteries, used as coloring material in bricks, pottery and also floor tiles. Okay, this is the uses of manganese. And this is essential for the production of good quality steel. Manganese compounds are used in making disinfecting liquids, bleaching powder, fertilizers and etc. And South Africa is the world's leading producer of manganese. So South Africa is the world's leading producer of manganese. The significant producers of manganese in the world are China, Australia, Gabon, Brazil and India. So all these producers have large reserves of manganese and are significant exporters in the world. So that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.